Are you tired of waking up each day just to fight traffic, endure long hours at a job that drains you, and feel there's no time left for the things that truly matter? That was my life for over 12 years, working in a tiny cubicle, questioning, is this really all there is? I longed for more time with my family and the freedom to create a life I loved. Everything changed when I had my son. The desire to be home with him became overwhelming. I wanted to be there for every precious moment, but I still needed to provide for my family. Around that time, a coworker introduced me to a product. Honestly, I was skeptical. I tried things like this before, but something inside me said, why not? I gave it a chance and fell in love not just with the product, but with what it meant for my family. What I didn't expect was to discover a business that would not only bring me financial freedom, but also give me the time freedom I craved. I knew I wanted more than just financial freedom. I craved the flexibility to spend my days with my family on my terms. So I set a clear goal, replace my corporate income within 6 months. First person I thought to share this opportunity with was my sister-in-law. She was a single mom at the time, juggling her corporate job and motherhood. I knew she could use extra income. I sent her some samples, and before long, she fell in love with the product too. She started sharing it with others, including her neighbor, and her business began to grow. With the support of the business, she was able to leave her corporate job too, which was an incredible moment for the both of us. My focus was on finding strong business partners like her, people who are passionate about making a change, and I helped them grow. Together, we built something meaningful. Along the way, I learned that the key to success isn't just about what you can achieve alone. It's about helping others achieve their goals too. But let me be clear. This business isn't easy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes dedication, consistency, and a willingness to grow. It's going to require hard work and resilience, and it's not for everyone. You need to be driven. You need to be someone who won't give up at the first challenge. But I promise, if you're committed and willing to put in the effort, it will change your life. Within 6 months, my efforts paid off. I built enough income to confidently leave my corporate job. The day I walked out of that office for the last time was one of the most freeing moments of my life. Now I want to help you experience that same freedom. Here are 3 tips that helped me succeed in my business. Number 1, find your 3 business partners. This is key to being successful, especially in your first year. A strong team will help you grow faster and more effectively. Number 2, let people know you're doing this as a business and share the product with others. When you love something, you naturally want to tell people about it, just like you would recommend a movie. The more you share, the more opportunities you create. Number 3, follow up. It often takes 7 to 13 touches for someone to make a purchase. A no today isn't always a no forever. It just means not right now. So keep connecting and building trust. One of the best things about this business is that it allowed me to build a successful career while being present for my family. I love that I can choose when and how much I work each day. For me, that means I can attend all of my son's milestones, schedule my work around family time, and still grow my business. You don't have to choose between being a great mom and being successful. This business lets you do both. When I first started, I didn't feel like I was doing this alone. I had amazing support, and that's what I want to offer you. I'll be here to mentor you step by step, from understanding the product to growing your business. Plus, you'll be joining a supportive community of like-minded women who are all working toward the same goal. We celebrate each other's wins, offer advice when things get tough, and truly uplift one another. You won't just be building a business, you'll be building friendships that last a lifetime. Getting started is simple. Once we determine if this is the right fit for you, I'll guide you through everything from picking out a starter kit to learning how to share the product with others. The starter kits are affordable and designed to get you everything you need to begin. I'll make sure you're set up for success right from the start, and you'll have me by your side the whole way. I've tried other network marketing companies before, and honestly, they didn't work out for me. The leadership is focused on truly helping families thrive, not just pushing sales. The product itself is incredible, and I fell in love with it because it's something I actually use and believe in. But the real difference is the business model. It's designed to reward people for helping others succeed, not just for sales. It's about building a community and lifting each other up, and that's why this opportunity worked well for me when others didn't. Imagine waking up and having the freedom to plan your day around what matters most to you, whether it's spending more time with your kids, traveling, or simply not having to answer to a boss anymore. This business can help make that possible. For me, it's the ability to create a life where I'm present for my family while still achieving financial freedom. This business has allowed me to grow not just in terms of income, but also personally. I've gained confidence, leadership skills, and a deeper sense of purpose. And I want to help you experience that same transformation. If you're ready to take control of your life and create time and financial freedom, I'm looking for 3 women to mentor. These spots won't last long, so click the link below, fill out the application, and let's see if this journey is right for you. Thank you for watching.